by Benefit, and we gotten some products from them before. Can I speak without getting interrupted? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jellica if you're new here, and it is early as in the morning, supposedly on a strict no sugary drinks diet, only water. So this morning I have a bowl of cherries snacking on right now. But anyways, don't mind my crooked bun. I'm trying to fix it, and my crusted edges. My daughter is in the background because she's up, she's moving. I put in her, look, she's there. So, you like this box? Yeah? Huh? Good morning. So today we're going to open up our monthly Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you guys don't know about this, it's a $25 subscription service. You get 5 to maybe 6 full-size products in here, and it's always worth over $100. The details for this box will be down below, and also an affiliate link that you can click on and subscribe to this BoxyCharm if you're interested. Like always in the box, we usually get a pamphlet. And I believe this is a pamphlet. It says dive in. It says summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. So I'm going to go through this pamphlet like always as we go through the products. So I recognize this brand. It's Touch and Soul. I love this brand so much. We've gotten a couple primers from them in our past boxes, Ipsy or BoxyCharm boxes, and I love them a lot. This is their Waterful Glow Cream. This is a moisturizer, and I love the packaging. It's so cute. It immediately plumps up dry skin by hydrating the skin. Light texture cream for all skin types, including oily skin that gives perfect moisture during the skin care. So this is a moisturizer, and you know them Asian brands have the best skincare, and the packaging is so cute. Oh my god, even the cream is pink, and it looks like it's kind of like a gel moisturizer. It's not so much of a like creamy whipped moisturizer. This moisturizer is worth $38. This is one Benefit, and we got some products from them before. It says Gogo Tint on it. Bright cherry tinted lip and cheek stain. Ugh, I'm not gonna like this. I already know. I don't like lip and cheek stains. I don't use them. I don't like them. But the packaging is cute. I'll give it that. So you're supposed to brush 3 strokes on the apple of your cheek and blend quickly with fingertips. So this is worth $30. This is the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist with argan oil and propolis. I have a couple of their sprays. I don't believe this is full size, but I haven't used it yet. But this looks like the oil has separated from whatever liquid's in here, so you might have to shake as you spray because that looks kind of gross. And this mister is worth $15. This is the It Superhero Mascara. I'm not going to open this one because I have one already open right next to me because we've gotten it in our box before, so I'm just going to use this one that I've opened and save this one for later. And this mascara is worth $24. The last thing in the box is this Huda Beauty. We got Huda Beauty in this box before. Last time it was I believe it was a coral palette that we got from them, which I really like. This is her 3D highlighter palette. What the palette looks like. The shades look really, really cute. I feel like they're kind of too dark for me though. Maybe this color is kind of my color or this color, but these two colors are kind of dark for me. It does have like directions on how to apply it on your skin, but I don't think we need directions to apply highlighter. Highlighter palette is called Bronze Sands, and I wish I would have got the lighter version of this one, but we're gonna make it work. This is worth $45. So I'm gonna start trying these products for you. The only skincare thing that we do have is this Touch and Soul moisturizer, so I'm gonna start off with that. It smells really nice. Like it said, it's more of a jelly consistency. I'm gonna just take a dab and kind of dab it on my face. I don't have any moisturizer on, so I'm just gonna put that on my skin. And I'm not gonna prime or anything because I want to see how well this hydrates my skin. I love jelly moisturizers. Well, I love any moisturizers, to be honest, but I feel like the gel ones are a little bit more hydrating. I feel like that really sunk into my skin really effortlessly, and it gave me a nice, like, natural glow. I really like it. So I'm gonna take this Pixie by Petra Skin Treats Glow Mist with argan oil and propolis, and I'm gonna spray that on my face also for some added moisture. I love the mister on this. It's a really nice fine mister, and that spray doesn't really have a scent to it, but it doesn't smell bad at all. I feel like my skin is nice and moisturized, so I'm gonna put on my face makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have my foundation on and concealer and I cream contoured. I just didn't set anything. The only reason why I didn't set anything is because I'm gonna use this Benefit Gogo Tint, and I do not trust or believe in putting liquid products on top of powder. I know it messes them up every time, so I'm just going to try this, and I know I'm not gonna like it, but I'm gonna try it for you guys. So it looks like a nail polish, and it says put 3 strokes and then use your finger and quickly, oh my god, this is a disaster. Why? No. But all I did was take my beauty sponge and kind of like blend it out, and it worked a little bit better. This pink is not my cup of tea. It's not my color. I would never go for a blush this pink, but just doing it to try it out. It definitely works better with a beauty sponge instead of your fingertips. I feel like you'll be here forever trying to blend it out. Just blends out much quicker and much easier. It does give you a nice flush of color if that's what you're into. Alright guys, I'm back and I finished most of my makeup, and I really am kind of like going back and forth with this cheek tint. I feel like it was really easy to blend with a beauty sponge. I really don't go for liquid cheek or lip tints. I didn't use it on my lips because I'm gonna go to work and I'm not gonna look crazy for you guys. It applied on my cheek, and I feel like it really did give me a cute, nice flush of color, and I really didn't have to add any more blush to it even after I set my face. So I really like it for that, but I know I'm not gonna be reaching for it, so I know I'm just gonna give it to somebody that I know is gonna use it, somebody that doesn't have a lot of makeup like I do. I have so much makeup in my collection, and I feel like I won't even go towards that because I'm so used to powders. I'm going to apply the Superhero Mascara. I already have one open, so I didn't open this one. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. I've gotten this in a mini size and in a full size in a couple of my boxes. I do have my Holy Grail lashes, the Salon Perfect 614s on, that I wear every day to work, and I always get compliments on them. People think that they're lash extensions, or they just compliment how pretty my lashes are. I apply the mascara. What I really go for in a mascara, I don't really care about my upper lashes because I do wear falsies. I really care about my lower lashes, and I feel like it applied on my lower lashes really well, and it built up really well. I like them to be more defined because I do wear falsies, and I like my eyes to pop, and I feel like if my lower lashes have a good coat of mascara and they look elongated, they really make my eyes pop. So I've always liked the Superhero Mascara. Alright, so we're going to try the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. This is in Bronze Sands. I think I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called Maldives. If I'm saying this wrong, please correct me. I butcher everything that I don't know how to pronounce. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this on one side of my cheeks. On camera, it looks like a champagne-y color, but it is really like it's like a champagne gold color, but it looks really much lighter on camera. So I'm taking this dupe for the Anastasia highlighting brush. This is a Ducare brush. You can get this off Amazon for like $5. And I'm gonna take that shade Maldives. It's a nice shade. It's not really like beaming. Maybe because this palette is a little bit too dark for me, I'm gonna build it up just a little bit. Up really nice. I usually spray my face first with a setting spray, so I'm going to do that now to kind of blend in this highlighter and kind of prep my face for the other side of my face so we can see how it is. And the reason why I do a setting mist before a highlighter is because I put so much powder on my face to set my face, and I want everything to like be skin-like, kind of absorb into my skin and not be as powdery. So that's why I set before I do any highlighter or after any powder. On the other side of my brush, I'm gonna take this gold shade. This is called Barbados. It looks like it's more of a cream. Yeah, Barbados is more of a cream. Okay, so I'm gonna take that on my fingertips. Yeah, this palette is too dark for me. And I'm going to take my beauty blender because I suck at blending things out with my finger, apparently. So, apparently Barbados is more of a cream. It says it's supposed to be a base to smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearls. So, I feel like this palette would look great on deeper skin tones. I wish I would have got a lighter version of this palette because I can only use a couple of these highlights. And I'm gonna take Maldives again, and I'm gonna put that over that. I think that's how she wants you to do it. And then I'm going to, it says 3 sculpt. Apply Aruba under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. So I think you're supposed to sculpt with this. So I'm just gonna grab the brush that I used to put my bronzer on. This is a Morphe M553. I love this brush, and I'm gonna take Aruba and I'm just gonna put this. I guess it's like a bronzer or like a blush topper. I'm also gonna put that on my forehead wherever I put the bronzer, I guess. And then it says flush sweet borbor on apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. So I think this is supposed to be a blush topper. So I'm gonna take my blush brush. This is the Morphe M401, and I'm gonna grab Bora Bora, and I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks. Okay, I'm also gonna put some of this Barbados on my nose. Wherever I usually highlight, that's where I'm gonna put it. I really wish they would have gave me like a lighter version, but I can never stay in frame. But then I'm going to take Maldives and just set all that. Okay, and this is the finished face. I do like it. I feel like it gave me a nice glow. I feel like once you use the system, once you follow the directions, it's kind of like really easy. Spray my face one more time just to see how it absorbs and it absorbs into my skin, and see how it sets. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you guys out. And I'm really feeling this look, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, so that was my unboxing. Total value of this box was $152, which was worth it. I'm just gonna go over what I like and what I didn't like. Definitely like this Touch and Soul moisturizer. I know I'm gonna have to use it a couple times to see how my skin reacts to it, but my skin is not too sensitive to anything, so I like anything Touch and Soul so far, and this is really good. I like this Pixie setting mist. It didn't make my face too glowy, even though it does have argan oil in it and propolis, which I don't know what propolis is. I'm guessing it's an oil. You do have to shake it because the oil does separate, but I like how it set my makeup, and I will be trying more of their setting sprays in a future new makeup try-on video. I like this Huda Beauty palette, even though I thought it was a little bit too dark for me. This is in Bronze Sands edition. It did really work well. I suggest that you follow the steps as provided because it's there for a reason. I kind of like don't follow instructions, but I was wondering why there was a cream. I thought it was a powder in here, and then once I followed the instruction, it really did give me a nice glow to my skin, so I really like that. Always and forever, like basically any mascara that I get, but I really do like this It mascara. The one's not too big. It is the perfect size to get under my lashes without bumping my under eye, and it does coat my lashes really well, and that's what I really look for in a mascara. What I didn't like and what I'm going to give away, I mean, it did give me a nice flush of color to my cheek. Really easy to blend out with a beauty sponge, not with your finger. I just don't like the applicator. Well, I guess the applicator was really easy. It looked like a nail polish. I just don't go for products like this, and I know I'm not going to be using it. I recommend you using this before you set your makeup so it doesn't move around on powder products. It doesn't stick to places, so it blends out really easily, but I will be giving this away. If I did use products like this, if I did reach for more liquid products, then I would probably keep this. I'm not saying it's a bad product, it's just something that I don't reach for. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you like this unboxing. Leave your comments below on anything that you like. If you guys get this box and you like any of these products, or if you guys get different products, just let me know down below. Always comment, like, and share my videos. I love reading your comments and responding back to you guys. Also subscribe to my channel, guys. I love my subscribers and supporters. You guys are the best, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey. Ready with why does look bad? Why did I like that? No. No. Brush. You can. And this is the It Superhero Mascara.